And attorney Charles Ganga Singh says the justices of the peace involved in the filming of the video should be stripped of their judicial posts. Mr. Ganga Singh says the manner in which the filming of Mr. Barnet was done is in itself a very significant violation of his rights. He told the TVJ News that the actions of the JPs raise serious identification concerns.
The video that you make reference to, if it is correct, and if it is shown in an Photoshop, manner, if there's such a word, the persons involved in the filming of that video ought to have their judicial posts taken away from them, as many issues of law or injustices have come up because of that filming. One of which is an identification issue. If there's a question in terms of the identity of the accused, why is the identity of the accused made public? And why did they facilitate it being made public by the very filming of the situation?